Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So this is day 19 of me learning English and American accent. So if you watch me daily, like you might probably know that I didn't upload videos for like a week now. So but before, let me tell you what I'm doing if you're new here. So I'm doing a 6 months challenge where I'll learn English and American accent, and I have to post a video every single day. But for the like previous 7 days or like 6 day, I just can't upload videos from like I'm having some issues with my PC. That's the reason I can't record and upload videos, but now it fixed, so I'm just recording the video. And you can see like it's right now it's 12 at my time, like at my in my country. And like normally I like make videos at night, but today I'm just making this video at morning because I just fixed my PC, and I just I sit here and say just record the video. I have no idea like what I'm saying. So yeah, sorry about that. And also I'm kind of sick, but yeah, I'm just telling you that I'm not giving up on that. If I alive, so I'm just keep making videos. I don't like I'm not here for likes or subscribers or anything. I just want to learn English. So yeah, but if you're watching me first time, I have to tell you something that I created a Discord server for like when I started. They can join the Discord server like if you want to learn English, talk with others. So yeah, you can do a lot of things, and this server is completely free, everything. Also, you can pause the video and read everything what you can do. It's like there's a lot of things that you can do. Anyways, I should start. So yeah, I'm just gonna ask ChatGPT to give me 10 topics to talk about. I'm just gonna talk on the topic. All right, so let's see. The first thing, number one, if I could be any animal, which one and why? All right, so if I could be any animal, which animal would I choose? It's kind of hard question, but I think I'm gonna choose I want to be bird, I guess, because I can fly. I think, yeah, I want to be bird. The reason is simple. I can fly all over the world, and I can go everywhere, whatever, like one, like which place I want, like you know what I mean, right? So yeah, the animal would be bird, and like any bird. All right, number two, the best advice I'd give a friend. Sometimes helpful, you have learned. Something helpful you have learned. All right. So the best advice I would give, I think, instead watching videos in English, I think this is the best advice I can give to like like I'm making videos for learning English, so this is the best advice for me, I guess. Yeah, watch videos in English. That's it. Number three, if I was invisible for one day, for a day, what would I do? I would go to the bank and like steal all the money. Just kidding. I'm just kidding. I really don't know what would I do. Yeah. Number four, one of my biggest dream is to be a fluent in English. I think this will be my biggest dream, like a native English speaker. So yeah. Number five, the most embarrassing moment I remember. The most embarrassing moment. I don't have that kind of embarrassing moment. Kind of like So yeah. Number six, if I could invent something new, what would it be, and what would it help people? All right. So this is interesting. So I think I wanna invent something like with like we can fly. That would be amazing because we can go anywhere we want. Like we can fly. So yeah, I think I'll build something that people can fly and go like whenever, like what the word I forgot, like wherever like they want to go. So yeah, I don't know why, but see, like I didn't practice for like make videos, and my English just became worse, so I have to speak every single day. All right. My favorite holiday, how do I celebrate it and why I love it? I think my favorite holiday, I really don't know what is my favorite holiday, so, and also I don't want to share my personal thing. So yeah. Number eight, a person who inspires me, who they are, and what I learn from them. A person who inspires. Oh my, this word. How do I say that? Inspires me. To be honest, I don't know. Simple as that. Number nine, if I never had to, guys, I'm telling you, I'm kind of sick, so that's why I can't like speak very well, and my English is kind of broken right now. I think that's the reason. So yeah, I hope I'll get better in a few days. So yeah. Number nine, if I never had to sleep again, what would I do? What would I do with the extra time? What would I do? What would I do with the extra time? I'll learn English. Yeah. Oh, that's it. Number 10, something I want to achieve this year. Explain how I'll reach it. So this year I wanna be fluent in English. I wanna learn the English so bad. So how I'll reach it. So the first thing, I started watching videos in English. I'm studying shadowing native speaker. I already tried a few times, but I'm Like I'm thinking we study this daily and read books. I don't really like reading books or something, but from now I think I need to start reading books so that way I can explore like more vocabulary, more words. So yeah, and yeah, this how is like how I learn English, I think, and I'll talk to people. So yeah, these are the things. So yeah, this is day 19 of me learning English and American accent. I'm kind of sick, so prepare for me. So yeah, see you guys tomorrow, hopefully.